Arco-Flagellant is a specialised form of servitor created from an imperial citizen who has been condemned to capital punishment of arco-flagellation. In battle, arco-flagellants are pumped full of cocktails of narcotic stimulants that transform them into a frenzied whirlwind of destruction, utterly impervious to wounds. An arco-flagellant is unleashed on the enemy in a suicidal charge that causes a maximum amount of damage. They are used individually or in packs by Inquisitors of the Ordo Hetericus and the Sisters of Battle as disposable terror shock troops. Arco-flagellants are human beings who have been condemned by Imperial justice to death, but whose crimes are not so severe that they are beyond all hope of redemption. Such criminals will be put to a merciful death again after a lengthy and extremely excruciating ritual of torture intended to purify their souls, so that they may still find peace alongside the Emperor of Mankind in the afterlife. The sentence of Arco-Flagellant is only delivered to criminals on technically advanced worlds due to the advanced resources it requires. A penitent condemned to Arco-Flagellant will be handed over to the Adeptus Mechanicus, who will lobotomize him and replace both his arms with cybernetic weapons, most often a pair of heavy industrial shears of a pair of electro-flails. They will then graft a whole battery of chemical injections directly onto his spine and install a pacifier helmet which contains a crude mind impulse device designed to control the cyborg. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.